Welcome to 73 Songbird Crescent, a meticulously maintained 3-bedroom all-brick bungalow situated in the exclusive Lake Scugog Meadows enclave of Janetville, a quiet rural community within the City of Kawartha Lakes. This premium corner lot is approximately 167 by 263 feet in size and at just under an acre, has amazing potential for transformation into a dream outdoor gardening and entertaining oasis. Built in 2017, the home has a double-car garage with a 240-volt EV charger, and its long driveway can accommodate up to 10 vehicles. Landscape gardens line the front of the home, and its double-door front entry is accented with sidelights and an arched transom. A hurricane-style light fixture illuminates the tiled foyer, which welcomes you into an open-concept main level showcasing 10-foot ceilings, dark hardwood flooring, as well as large south-facing windows for bright natural light and backyard views. A modern pendant-style light fixture brings contemporary elegance to the dining area. The living room features a beautiful chandelier and the graceful curvature of a turret-shaped wall, while an oversized entry into the kitchen area maintains the open flow of this level. Upgraded ceramic tiles finish the kitchen floor, and this functional workspace additionally features a center island with seating and pendant lighting, a stainless steel 2-drawer French door fridge, dishwasher, oven with smooth cooktop and double sink, contemporary cabinetry with a subway tile backsplash, as well as pot lighting. Off the breakfast area is a powder room with a tiled floor and privacy blind on its window, and the breakfast area has a sliding door walkout to the backyard as well. The foyer has a double coat closet, and its floor is finished with upgraded ceramic tiles. And just off this space is the 3rd bedroom. Quite spacious, and featuring a north-facing Palladian and accent window, this bedroom also has a double closet, is carpeted for coziness, and has a 3-piece ensuite washroom with a tiled floor and walk-in shower area. Leading to the huge, unfinished lower level is a curved, dark-stained hardwood staircase, with this level having incredible potential for additional household living, entertaining, and storage space. Down a short side hall is a laundry room with a tiled floor, washer and dryer, cabinetry storage, and access to the garage, as well as the 2nd bedroom, which features a Palladian window, cozy carpeting, ample closet storage, and a 3-piece ensuite washroom. There is also a secondary coat closet off this hall, and other features of this home include all existing ceiling electrical light fixtures and window treatments, as well as a water softener, a UV water treatment system, a security system, and a Ring doorbell. The generously sized master bedroom is also carpeted for coziness and has large south and west-facing windows for bright natural light and outdoor views. Its walk-through closet space also provides access to a walk-in closet, as well as leading into a 4-piece ensuite washroom with upgraded ceramic tiles finishing its floor and bath area. An exceptional home nestled into conservation lands within the rural surroundings of Janetville. For everyday conveniences, this quiet community has a pharmacy, and both it and nearby Wolf Run Golf Club for the avid golfer are 5 minutes away. Lake Scugog is a short walk from this home, and boating and fishing enthusiasts will appreciate the nearby public access and boat launch. For prime amenities such as groceries, banking, and medical services, as well as restaurants, entertainment, and big box shopping, the urban centers of Lindsay and Port Perry are 25 minutes away, and for commuters, it's also a short drive for access to Highway 7 and the 115 via Highway 35.